Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make shadows, no shadows while inside your structure. Because most of the time there's shadows in your structure. Let's get on to this tutorial. So most of the time when you make the tutorial like a game, it will look like kind of like this in a structure. But we don't want that. So how do you fix this? Basically you just click on a part and uncheck cast shadow, and basically do that until you see no more shadows for each part of your structure. So maybe on the roof. Yeah, this is all I need. I never got to uncheck out the first three, and now it's all good. So I added a spawn location right here. Now let's test it out. Let's go on the game and test it out. Also, if you are wondering how to go through doors from your structure, just uncheck can't collide, so you can go through doors. No scripting, no coding or no scripting for this video. Let's group all of this. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's group all of this. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, I'm in. Let's test it out. Alright guys, there's no shadows. All you could see is your shadow when you jump around. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Next tutorial might be sword tutorial. I got this idea from actually a person who commented me some ideas. Here's his name. Please go subscribe to him. Here's his comment. Alright guys, so here's his comment. Here's his comment. Cringe Fest. So shout out to Cringe Fest, and I'm gonna be doing your sword tutorial video today or maybe tomorrow. Shout out to you, my friend. Subscribe to him. Also subscribe to me. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. Like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below what tutorial should I do next. Peace.